If you want to send live videos on WhatsApp, so if you want to send live videos that is above 2 GB, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will show you how to send live videos on WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp has only file size limit of 2 GB per video, so sending more than 2 GB video limit isn't possible. So however, you can send large videos using the cloud services and all the various links. Now the first thing what you need to do is that you just need to open Google Drive on a device. So you just need to firstly upload the videos of which you want to share on WhatsApp. So you just need to upload by selecting the option of upload, and the upload is completed. You just need to tap on the three dots next to the videos which you want to share on WhatsApp, and here you just need to tap on the option of copy link like this. And after copying the link, you just need to open the WhatsApp on a device, and after opening the WhatsApp, you just need to tap to the friend. You just need to chat with the friend you want to send the 100 GB or 10 GB video. So simply paste the link and click on the option of the arrow like icon, and you will be able to share the live videos or photos on WhatsApp. And also make sure that there is enough space on a Google Drive to put the videos on it also, because Google Drive also has 15 GB storage limit, and you may also upgrade it to that. So that's it. That's how you can send the last videos on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.